So how am I losing weight? So an ex-friend questioned me, and she actually downplayed me and asked me whether I'm taking any shots or the Ozempic. I said the Ozempic. Ozempic. If you guys don't know what Ozempic is, it's what diabetics use to help them, but also people have been finding out that you can lose weight with it. And I was offended, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just do a video and tell you guys what I'm doing. And another thing, but she's not my friend anymore, not because of that, some other stuff she did. But if you're on your health journey and anyone questioning you like that and trying to downplay your hard work and everything you did and subject you to that, they are a hater. They're a hater. They're jealous of you, and you're doing something that they can never do. So let me just give you some tips on how am I losing weight.
You with their friends, girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big.
So I'm gonna tell you exactly how I've been losing weight. Now, a little side note before I go into the details. You don't want to lose weight too fast. If you lose weight too fast, you'll gain it back quicker. Also, if you lose weight too fast and you don't work out, your skin will start having saggy skin, and nobody wants that. So that's a little side note. When everyone says they want to lose weight quick, no, I don't want to lose anything quick. I want to do it in moderation. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about is diet. Diet is the most important thing. And diet. And my diet that I'm doing, or my lifestyle change, is a little drastic in the sense I do intermittent fasting. Now a lot of people saying it's not good for you to do intermittent fasting, especially on a long time and blah blah blah. I've been seeing little videos here and there about that as well, but I do fasting about 6 times a week. Let me talk about my times. I do 18-8. So I fast for, I said 18-8, oh my god, like 16, is it 16-8? Oh my god, I can't even think of the number. Anyway, so I fast. My first meal is not until around like 10 or 11, depends. If I have to work in the morning, I'll go around that, and then I'll fast again for 8 hours, and then I eat my last meal. When everybody hears 18 hours of fasting, it sounds so bad, but you're asleep about 8 to 7 hours, so that's half of your fast. So don't think too much into it. And also, fasting helps a lot with me because I overeat. I have a problem overeating, especially when I was younger. That's why I always been thick. Like, I overeat. So this fasting helps me listen to my body. To be honest, before I even started this, I used to eat all the damn time. Let's be real. I used to eat all the time. Even if I wasn't hungry, I would still eat. Now that I'm fasting, I can listen to my body. And I'm not even hungry as much, especially like, for instance, it's almost that time of the month. I'm not even that hungry as much. I know. It sounds weird, but whatever. And also, during that fast, I'll drink coffee. Usually, I'll drink just iced coffee, plain, with no sugar or anything added. You also add cinnamon. I'm a little put off with cinnamon for a minute, but yeah. So during my fast, and the black coffee helps me continue the fast, if that makes any sense. I told you guys about the fast. Let's tell you about exactly what do I eat. I eat the same thing every day. I do not get tired of it. I'm the type of person, I don't get tired of eating the same thing every day. So let's talk about my first meal, which is breakfast. It's usually always eggs. I love eggs. So it's eggs, spinach with turkey bacon. Now, let me tell you about bread. I love bread. I love bread and pasta. I cannot give up bread, and I'm not gonna give up bread. So instead of using the bread I'm always was raised on, I use the alternative bread, and it's 40 calories a slice. It tastes just the same. I still eat bread. Yeah, just moderation. Also, protein is very, very, very important when you're trying to lose weight. If you're fasting as well. Protein, you need majority of everything to have protein in it. And another good option for a breakfast meal, also lunch or whatever, is this sandwich from Starbucks. I'm obsessed with this damn sandwich. It tastes like a pizza, but it's so healthy. Like I believe it's like 35 grams of protein in it. It's about 550 calories. That's a nice meal, and the protein would help you get through your fast or whatever you're trying to do. So think about it. when I'm on my sometimes I do work in the morning, so I have to result in fast food, but fast food also have healthy options, so keep that in the back of your mind too. Now let's talk about dinner. My last meal of the day is usually always, let me show you, I need to show you exactly what I get. So it's cauliflower rice. It's so good. I usually always have that with like some roasted potatoes, and then as the all that has protein. And for the big protein meal, I usually get chicken or I will get salmon. I alternate between those. Yeah, and that's basically what I eat. Also for a snack, I love to have like cashews. Even though they're high in calories, it's fine. It's fine. And also I love to have Greek yogurt. Bomb. Now that you have your diet, you're ready to eat healthy. Also I forgot to add, I do have a cheat meal. Like if I'm craving something, I allow myself to have it either on Sundays or whatever other day I have off at work. I'll allow myself to have that cheat meal, and then I'll go to the gym or yeah. So do not deprive yourself. Do not deprive yourself, because this is the health journey. Now we talk about the food and intermittent fasting. Let's talk about the second most important thing, and it is working out. If you want to see fast results, working out is the key. Also lifting weights as well, you can see results faster. So I'm not an expert, and I know sometimes people comment on my forum when I do videos, but whatever, it's been working for me. As soon as I get to the gym, I do like to do cardio. Cardio. I just do my little warm-up with cardio. Either I use the Stairmaster or the treadmill. If I use the treadmill, I will have to keep it on an incline about 9.5 or a 10 in the speed. See, I don't like to run, so I do like a fast little walk, and then when I'm listening to my music, I am in my zone, y'all. And that's another thing. When you're at the gym, make sure you have a playlist. I swear, like, have a playlist, like and shuffle it as well. Playlist makes me want to dance. It makes me to get more hype. That's another thing. Make sure you have a playlist. But anyway, so I will do the treadmill for about 25 minutes, and I do like a 5 to 10 minute cool down. And after that we hit the weights. Now 2 days out of the week, okay, hold on. Okay, I should have a script for this, but it's fine. I feel like I'm all over the place, but this literally was on my mind, so like I just wanted to film it real quick. But I might have to do a part 2 or redo. I don't know. I'm figuring it out. But anyway, so when I work out, I work about 3 days out of the week, and out of those 3 days out of the week, sometimes more, sometimes even less. I don't even want to admit that, but sometimes I'm not in the mood. I'm not even gonna lie, and you guys know I'm a busy person. So anyway, 3 days a week, either I'm gonna work on lower body or upper body, but I'm always working out on my arms. My arms are like the weakest part of my body. I don't want to say weakest, but this is where the stubborn part. So I'm always working on my arms. So usually I do a full body workout at least twice a week, and then the day I work out my upper body or lower body, but mind you, I always do my arms. But I'm gonna work on a full video to show you guys my routine, and mind you, like I said, I'm not an expert, but what I'm doing is it has been working. And I know I probably didn't mention this earlier, but drinking water is so essential. You need to drink water. Just make sure you're drinking water, but only drink water when you are dehydrated. So that's it on my tips on how to lose weight. I know it was short, straight to the point. I might have to do a part 2 because I know I was off topic a little bit, and also I didn't have a script. I'm going top of my head, so, and it's fine. Before I end this video, I do want to say this. If you are on a health journey or you're struggling with losing weight, all you need to do is be consistent. If you change your eating habits, you will see a small difference in your body within weeks. If you cut out the sugar, alcohol, little carbs, you guys know I can't cut out the carbs. Just change a little bit. I swear you'll see a small difference in your body. It will go, you probably see it in your face. You see it somewhere. So I'm just saying, stay motivated. I know it's hard because sometimes I still need to hear it for myself. Yeah, and just move your body. That's all you need, and you got this. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything else you want to ask me, feel free to leave a comment and make sure you subscribe. Well, I hope I entice you to subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about my life.